Recently, the North Dakota Department of Transportation, along with federal, state, and local officials, opened the new Lewis and Clark Bridge, located on U.S. Highway 85 south of Williston. The $80 million project is the single largest infrastructure project bid in the DOT's history. The opening of the Lewis and Clark Bridge represents a collaborative effort between local, state, and federal agencies who helped make this project possible.
It's a great feat to work with state and local governments and then at the federal level as well to come together to make this happen. And somebody once told me that building a piece of infrastructure is the easy part. It's everything that comes before that's the tough part. And I think there's some truth to that. It's very hard to bring all the parties together to build a project that makes sense for the communities that they serve and the functions that they serve. And I think this is a good example of where that happened.
The new Lewis and Clark Bridge is a 4-lane bridge, replacing the former 2-lane bridge, which was originally built in 1973. The new bridge is a major thoroughfare for traffic, with approximately 10,000 vehicles a day utilizing the bridge. It will also accommodate larger, wider truckloads that were not previously capable of crossing the old bridge. Other parts of the project included the construction of a wildlife crossing specifically designed for moose located south of the bridge. This particular kind of wildlife crossing is the first for North Dakota. The opening of the Lewis and Clark Bridge is part of the US 85 4-lane expansion, which included over $340 million of state money invested in the bridge, 2 bypasses, and 60 miles of highway between Watford City and Williston.
So the bridge is kind of the last link in this 4-lane piece that we're so happy that the state of North Dakota really fast-tracked to get our goods and services north and south. You know, about, and to my figures, about 80% of this huge Bakken play that we've seen nationally falls within 75 miles of this bridge that we're standing on right now. And moving goods and services to support that is vital to the economy in our state, but nationally as well.
The opening of the Lewis and Clark Bridge represents the state's investment in western North Dakota to provide essential transportation for the safety of the traveling public and for the state's economy.